Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Home ownership has become more challenging. That's because real estate prices have increased significantly, making it harder to get a mortgage or buy land. Well, TVJ's Andrew Laidley has been looking at the real estate boom and now reports.
Some of the prices of this real estate is selling for more than what some individuals will earn in their lifetime.
That's the reality for many Jamaicans who simply cannot afford their own home. The next best thing is to find a reasonable rental, but even that has gotten more difficult.
You have people who are paying US dollar rates on nightly rates, and when you translate what that calculates and works out to, it's totally out of line of what the Jamaican dollar rent should or would be and what a Jamaican resident would or be able to pay over a long term. And then you have an owner who says, well, why should I rent to you as a Jamaican over the long term at a lower rate than what I could rent to others visitors, foreigners who are coming and paying these nightly rates that are 3 and 4 and 5 times more than what you're willing to pay.
And the prices get higher every year.
You know, so 5 years ago, they might have identified a house that they saw maybe selling for $11 million, and they said, all right, and they put a plan in place, and they said they're going to save to buy that house in 5 years, and in 5 years' time, we look at the same house, and the house is now $15 million or $18 million, and so it's like that moving carrot, and some people just can't get to reach it.
But while home ownership remains elusive for many Jamaicans, real estate investment is presenting new opportunities.
Real estate investment trust is the opportunity, for example, to buy real estate indirectly. Okay, so a real estate trust will be a company that will have a portfolio of real estate or will purport to buy a portfolio of real estate, and you can invest in that company and benefit from the returns of the activities of that company buying and investing in real estate.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
In currency trading, the Jamaican dollar continued its slide against the US dollar today, despite interventions by the central bank to offset volatility in the foreign exchange market. Let's look at the figures. The US dollar sold today for $137.21. The Canadian dollar is now going for $104.51. The pound is selling for $178.10, while the euro sold today at $152.74. Oil prices, they traded lower today. Oil for delivery in March lost 4 cents to settle at $54.84 a barrel. The JSE index lost 7,297 points today, while the junior market index went up by 45 points. Among the winners today were Derrimon Trading, Berger Paints, Blue Power Group, 1834 Investments, and Access Financial Services. On the losing side, Proven Investments, AMG Packaging and Paper, NCB Financial Group, Grace Kennedy, and Sterling Investments. That wraps up the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.